Morning, Brian. This is Steve, KG4LJB, the test video showing your SEA-222 recently repaired and modified with the tune switch connected to your SGC SG-230 automatic antenna tuner. It in turn is connected to an artificial antenna similar in concept to a dummy load made by Sun Air, make commercial HF equipment. At any rate, I'm just going to show you how everything works. As you can see, the tuned LED is illuminated on the SGC. The tune process is complete. No microphone, no modulation required. I'll try a different frequency. This is 40. There we go. 4125. And here we go with the tune process. And once again, we've got a successful match. So everything's working good. I'll get it buttoned up and back to you right away. Thanks a lot. Bye now.